Good morning, friends. Today I am going to speak about the design aspects and basics of passive elements in electronic circuits. Now we have to understand what are passive elements means. Passive elements are the elements which consume energy. Let us go ahead. What is Ohm's law? We have to understand what is Ohm's law for passive elements. Ohm's law for passive elements is defined as R is equal to V upon I for resistor. R is equal to V upon I for resistor. The resistor is applicable for both AC and DC circuits. For capacitor, I of t is equal to C into dV by dt. I of t is equal to C into dV by dt. For inductor, V of t is equal to L into di by dt. Now V of t means voltage at particular time, and L into di by dt is nothing but rate of change of current multiplied by di by dt, means L into di by dt. Now specifically if we see, L and C are especially applicable for AC signals. Let us go ahead. Now next point is reactance. Okay, so reactance is nothing but inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. Okay, inductive reactance is defined as 2 pi f into L. F is nothing but the frequency of the AC signal and L is nothing but inductance in Henrys. Similarly, XL is also defined as VL upon IL. VL means voltage across inductor and IL means current through inductor, which is also called as omega L. Now let us understand what is XC. XC is nothing but capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance is defined as reactance given by the capacitance at a particular frequency. Okay. Then similarly, XC is nothing but reactance given by capacitance, which is equal to 1 upon omega C, which is also equal to 2 pi Fc. Now similarly, IC of t, IC of t का मतलब क्या है? Capacitive current at a particular time, which is also defined as rate of change of rate of change of charge dq by dt. Q is nothing but charge, which is also called equal to C into dvc, C into vc. Okay, so vc is nothing but voltage across capacitor, which is also defined as C into v max sine of omega t. Similarly, IC of t is equal to d by dt into C into v max into sine of omega t, which is also equal to omega c v max cos of omega t. Now let us go ahead. Imax is nothing but, Imax is called as maximum current across capacitor, which is equal to Vmax upon XC. Vmax is nothing but voltage across capacitor. Vmax is nothing but voltage across capacitor, and F is nothing but frequency. F is nothing but frequency. Imax is also called as omega C into Vmax. Imax is also called as omega C into Vmax.